Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Are doctors men of science? Dear students, Shah says doctoring is not even the art of keeping people in health. In this essay, Shah very brutally attacks the medical profession. He says that medical profession has lost its dignity. The doctors do not make any research in their field. They seem to be the agents of the pharmaceutical firms. They themselves do not make any intensive study. They prescribe medicines as directed by medical companies. They fall back upon cruel and wicked practices. Their main business is to collect money. They prescribe heavy doses of medicine and leave the patient to be looked after by his relations. They do not keep people in health. They cure diseases, but they do not teach them how to remain healthy. Shah condemns the misconception that doctors are men of science. Science is a system and a method of research. Writer says that doctors are not better than their tailors. A man who reads scientific journals can develop scientific taste. Doctoring is an art, not science. It is not even the art of keeping people in good health. Rather, it is the art of curing illness. So, most of the doctors work only to earn money. They never have any conception of scientific method. Any person can tell you what to eat and what not to eat. This treatment is done by other members of society like herbalists and witch doctors. Even the elderly grandmothers in the house also cure different ailments. They also prescribe what to eat and what not to eat. Hence, Shah is right in his contention that doctoring is not even the art of keeping people in health. We have to agree with Shah that doctors have failed in keeping people in good health. Thanks.